20 animal names in English. Donkey. Donkey. A farm animal used to carry loads. Example: the donkey is carrying bags on its back. Buffalo. Buffalo. A large animal that gives milk. Example: the buffalo is standing near the river. Ox. Ox. A strong farm animal used for plowing fields. Example: the ox is pulling the cart. Pig. Pig. A farm animal that loves to play in mud. Example: the pig is rolling in the mud. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. A large heavy animal that lives near rivers. Example: the hippopotamus is resting in the water. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. A big animal with 1 or 2 horns on its nose. Example: the rhinoceros is walking in the jungle. Crocodile. Crocodile. A large reptile that lives on land and water. Example: the crocodile is lying on the riverbank. Snake. Snake. A long reptile that crawls on the ground. Example: the snake is moving through the grass. Frog. Frog. A small animal that can jump and lives near water. Example: the frog is sitting on a leaf. Turtle. Turtle. An animal with a hard shell that walks slowly. Example: the turtle is moving across the ground. Lizard. Lizard. A small reptile that climbs walls. Example: the lizard is sitting on the wall.
Rat. Rat.
A small animal that lives in holes. Example: the rat is eating cheese. Squirrel. Squirrel. A small animal that climbs trees and eats nuts. Example: the squirrel is jumping from tree to tree. Leopard. Leopard. A fast wild animal with spotted skin. Example: the leopard is resting on a tree branch.
Cheetah. Cheetah.
The fastest land animal. Example: the cheetah is running very fast. Gorilla. Gorilla. A strong animal that lives in forests. Example: the gorilla is eating bananas. Koala. Koala. A cute animal from Australia that eats leaves. Example: the koala is sleeping on a tree. Porcupine. Porcupine. An animal with sharp spines on its back. Example: the porcupine is walking slowly in the forest. Hedgehog. Hedgehog. A small animal with short spines. Example: the hedgehog is rolling into a ball. Bison. Bison. A large wild animal with thick fur. Example: the bison is running across the plain. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.